Ayan, sinabi ko na yung kung ano yung kailangan nilang gawin. Hayaan ko na lang sila, diba? Baka mamaya sabihin nila, ako na lang yung gumawa. Diba? And the good thing I love about is meron siyang window in which you can spy on your neighbor. No, I don't do that. Anyway.
Hi guys, welcome to the video. Please subscribe. Thank you.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Khadija, and for today's vlog is I'm going to give you another construction update, guys. So this time is about our kitchen. So sabi ko sa inyo last time, diba, na pag natapos na yung toilet is gagawin na nila yung kitchen. And today I am going to give you an update and I'm gonna show you as well kung ano ba yung tiles na nilagay namin sa kitchen. So this time guys, ako yung pumili ng tiles for our kitchen dahil nga medyo nagtampo ako sa asawa ko nung siya lang yung nag-decide ng tiles para sa toilet namin. Kasi iba talaga yung gusto kong style eh. Maganda naman yung tiles na pinili niya sa toilet namin. Pero I have something in mind that I'm sure he's gonna like it as well. The only thing is, hindi lang niya talaga ako in-inform. So this time, we have agreed na ako yung pipili ng tiles para sa kitchen namin. Anyway guys, without further ado, tara! So now we're going to check the update of the construction dito sa aming area. Ayan. Okay. So nalagyan na nila ng space para doon sa may washing machine. So we are going up on the second floor. Ayan. So, Achabu, they already flattened it. Ito na yung kitchen natin today. May ginagawa sila. Basta yan, sinabi ko na yung kung ano yung kailangan nilang gawin. Hayaan ko na lang sila, diba? Baka mamaya sabihin nila, ako na lang yung gumawa. Diba? So, ayan na guys yung tiles na in-order namin para sa kitchen. So, syempre, ako na yung pumili this time kasi yung sa toilet, yung asawa ko yung pumili ng mga tiles, eh, yung iba parang hindi ko siya gusto. So, ngayon, ako na ulit pipili para sa kusina namin. So, ayan, nagbibilangan na sila ng tiles doon. Papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung napili kong tiles para sa kitchen. So, nag-unload sila. So this is the tiles that I chose for our kitchen, guys, and let's see how it's gonna be. I just choose one design, only this one, because I don't want that the kitchen will look like, you know, it has different design. I want it to look like organized, yung maganda sa mata, yung hindi magulo tingnan. That's what I want. Another update for the kitchen. Achamasha. Myself. By the way, guys, kakatapos pa lang maligo, kaya fresh na fresh tayo today. Diba? At ito na nga yun, guys. Ito na yung tiles na pinili ko. Ito yung closer look niya. Ayan. So, on that side, nilagyan namin siya ng space dyan for the washing machine. So, ang plano namin is it's either, pwede rin naman yung top-load washing machine or yung front-load washing machine dyan. Yun nga lang yung problema dito is yung ditong side, pag naghuhugas ka ng pinggan, I hope it's not going to often make the washing machine wet. I think that whenever we wash our plate, we have to be careful not to spill a lot of water on this side of the kitchen dahil nga merong washing machine. And also, of course, I'm going to put some cover on top of the washing machine as well. Anyway, let's see when we have the washing machine fixed there. And then, you know, we decide what is best to do in that corner over there. So, this will be our banggirahan in Antique, kitchen sink. And the good thing I love about is meron siyang window in which you can spy on your neighbor. No, I don't do that. Anyway, and I like this as well because then I can put some plants in here. Yung mga indoor plants, maganda siya tingnan, diba? Pagka may plants sa kitchen mo, gustong-gusto ko yung mga ganon. And, ayan. So, this is it here. And by the way, this side here, pina-close ko siya because I was telling my husband that we can use tabletop kind of burner. Yung bubutasan siya dito, guys, and then ilalagay lang yun. Parang flat lang siya na burner. Yun. So that's what I'm planning to use. And on this side here, pwede kong ilagay dito yung microwave kasi may saksakan siya. And by the way, guys, in this side here, we didn't put tiles anymore because it will be covered by the cabinets anyway. So we just leave it like that. And of course, here on the top naman, those are the holes for the exhaust fan and for the, maglalagay kasi kami ng hood dito para sa pagluluto. So I think that's the exhaust as well for the hood. So of course, guys, this is not done yet because we are going to put cabinets on the top here and down there. Inshallah, pag ready na siya, I will make a vlog about that. I'm sure you're gonna like it kasi na-inspire kasi tayo if we see some vlog about someone building their house, nagko-construct sila, and they were the ones choosing their tiles and everything. Alam mo yon, nai-inspire din tayo na to work hard para makapagpagawa rin tayo ng bahay natin. Diba? Ganon. So this is why I'm making this vlog for you guys. So anyway, I have decided lang talaga to choose one tiles for the entire kitchen. So we use it for the wall and we use it for the floor. Kasi ayoko yung paiba-iba ng design sa kitchen. Parang nahihilo ako pag iba-iba yung design eh. Kaya yan yung dinesisyonan ko na ginawa ko siyang sahig at ginawa ko rin siyang dingding. Which is for me, okay naman. Diba? Total, ako lang din naman yung gagamit nito. Kami lang din naman yung gagamit. So, walang may ibang dapat magreklamo kundi kami lang. Dahil kami nagmamay-ari, diba? So, ito yung gusto ko para sa kitchen namin. And I am happy with this choice. Another good thing that I like, guys, which was chosen by my father-in-law, is yung ito. And of course, guys, we are going to put a door on our kitchen as well. So, meron na siyang frame. We are also going to cover there on top kasi masyadong malaking butas yan dyan eh. So, we're going to put a cover there as well. So, this kitchen, guys, is not too big and it's not too small as well. Like, for me, this is good enough. Kasi, alam mo yun, yung makakagalaw ka ng maayos, yun yung mahalaga sa kitchen eh. Ayan, so malaki naman siya. Hindi kalakihan at hindi rin kaliitan. By the way, thank you so much po pala sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa channel ko, especially to Tita Net, to Sis Rampadora, sis Rapadora. So siya, diba? Shout out to you, sis. And to sis Happy Gongo. My channel din siya, guys. Please support her. My sister Labilia, she's also supporting me. And she have her own channel as well. Ang Buhay-Buhay sa Bahrain. If you want to know about that, subscribe to her channel as well, guys. And also, I would like to shout out my friend Nenita Herrera. So she is Ilongga. She is from Iloilo. Hi sa'yo, sis. Shout out sa'yo. Lagi kang nanonood ng mga videos ko. Lagi kong nababasa yung mga comments ninyo, guys. Hindi ko man mention isa-isa yung mga names ninyo. But I want you all to know that I am so happy. Really. And support Nenita Herrera as well, guys. She have her own channel too. And also, shout out to Mamshi Helen. So my vlogs din si Mamshi Helen. And also, shout out to my friend Joy Andol Vlogs. So my vlogs din siya, guys. She lives in Kuwait. Please do subscribe to her channel as well. Alam nyo, pandemic kasi ngayon eh. So if you subscribe on all those channels, you'll get to, like, parang nagta-travel ka na rin to see what is happening in their place. So like my sister, nasa Bahrain siya. So you'll get to see an update of what is going on in Bahrain. My friend Joy Andol, she's in Kuwait. You'll get to see what's going on in Kuwait. My friend Nenita Herrera, she's from Iloilo. You'll get to see what's going on in Iloilo. My friend Happy Gogo, she's in the US. You'll get to see what is going on in the US. And of course, Mamshi Helen, she's in my place in Antique. You'll get to see what is going on in my place in Antique. So, ganun lang siya, guys. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-travel these days. Manood ka na lang ng YouTube and you will feel like you are traveling. So, maganda, diba? Nasa loob ka lang ng bahay mo, nagre-relax ka lang, at the same time, feeling nagta-travel ka na rin. And also, of course, shout out to Faraz Khan, yung nag-iisang laging nagko-comment ng mahabang-mahaba sa channel ko, guys. Kung na-notice niyo, there is this one person who often leave a long comment in my vlogs na parang bang binabayaran ko siya. Pero alam niyo, I'm so happy, I'm so grateful to have all of you supporting me, guys. So thank you so much to you, Faraz Khan, for that long comment. It helped me a lot because it motivates me to keep on making vlogs for you guys. So thank you so much, everyone. Maraming salamat po. So anyway, guys, that's all for this vlog. I hope that you like this video and you will share this to your family and friends. And if you're new to my channel, I just want to remind you that please do not forget to subscribe and don't forget to click that notification bell as well so you will always be updated every time I post new videos. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!